Good morning, dear students of class 8. Today, in your English class, you are going to study how to write an informal letter. So, first of all, what is an informal letter? An informal letter is a letter which is a friendly letter. It is written to friends or relatives. So, it is written in a very personal fashion. So, in order to write this letter, you have to write in a very friendly tone, in a very personal tone. When you write an application to the principal, it is a formal letter. So you write in a formal language. But when you write to your relatives, to your parents, to your friends, to your uncle or aunts, to your grandparents, then you write an informal letter. Now, how to write this letter? Let us know what is the format of this letter. So on the top, the first thing that you write, usually now you write on the right hand side, the address. That is your address. And this address should be complete. Your complete address you are going to write. Then after the address, date. Now for writing, why you write a date? Because it is always good that whenever you write any personal letter, you write date because that shows a reference to when you are writing the letter. And then comes the salutation or the greeting. Since you know the person very well, so the greeting is also going to be informal. Informal, like you are going to write, if you are writing to your friend, dear or my dear, you can write the name by which you call your friend. And if you are writing to your relative, then you can write dear uncle, aunt, or any relative, say for instance your cousin brother or your brother, your sister, your parents. You can write dear papa, you can refer to the relationship. Dear mama, if you're writing to your mother, dear grandpapa or grandma. Then comes the introduction, the body of the letter. Now, what are the first few lines? How you write the introduction to this letter? That is, you begin the writing this letter in an introductory paragraph which sets the tone for the letter. Like you can ask the person whom you are writing about his well-being. Like, hope this letter finds you in good health. So the opening of the informal letter should be very casual and personal also and comforting also. Then comes the second paragraph. You will further develop the body of the letter. Same, the tone that you are going to maintain will be very friendly. The language, wordings that you are going to use when you are writing a letter should be very casual. It should look as if it is in the form of a conversation. It is in the form of a talk. Fine. You can further develop the contents of the letter by writing according to the question what you have to write if you are writing it for your classwork or for your examination purpose. If you are writing a personal writing, then whatever you have to write in the letter, you can pick up the subject. According to the subject, you can develop the letter. And it should look as if you are writing in the form of a conversation to the person whom you are addressing the letter. Then comes the conclusion, that is closing the letter. Now, how will you close the letter? Here you are going to summarize the contents, whatever you have written in your earlier two paragraphs. Then you can further set a meaningful and affectionate tone by writing that hope you are do not forget to invite the person whom you are writing to reply to your letter. It shows that you want him to write to you back. Fine. It shows the intention, that is, you want to continue this chain of writing letters. Then comes the closing of the letter. Now, how will you close the complimentary close? How you are going to do this letter? That is, there is no way to sign off in an informal letter like you do it in a formal letter. But then you can close the letter by saying lots of love, best wishes, etc., kind regards, etc., and your name. Now, one example of informal letter we will be doing in the next class. For today's class, you have learnt what is an informal letter and how to write an informal letter, the format of an informal letter. So, a quick recap. What is an informal letter? It's a personal letter. Letter you write to your friends or to your relatives. Then, next, the format. In the format, you are going to write the address to whom you are writing, means your address. You will give your address and complete address. Then, the date, because that shows the reference when you are writing the letter. Then, greeting, that is, dear whomsoever you are writing. Then comes the content of the letter, the body of the letter. Here, you can write this paragraph, say in 2 or 3 paragraphs. First would be an introductory paragraph asking about the health and well-being. Second paragraph can be the main content of your letter. And the third paragraph would be a conclusive paragraph where you would conclude the letter. And finally, a close with your remark like lots of love or regards if you are writing to an elderly person, with regards, and your first name by which you are called. Today we have learnt how to write an informal letter. Next, in tomorrow's class, we are going to practice one example of an informal letter. Hope you've understood, and in case of any problem, you can ask in your WhatsApp group whatever queries you have. So thank you, children.